Scene 1. On the boat to England. A, B, 301. Hail, my friend. What brings you to England?
I am coming here to bring the good news of Jesus Christ to this land.
I don't know who Jesus Christ is, but I warn you, they don't like strangers here. I don't know why anyone would want to come here. It's cold and miserable. There are always wars going on. There's a good chance you will be killed before the sun sets. You should turn back while you can.
I don't know what will happen, but I know God has a plan for me and will help me once I get to England.
Good luck to you, my friend.
It feels like you have a fever, little girl. Where's your mother? Can you get up? Let's go look for your family.
You there, stop. Where's the Christian? We know he is around here somewhere. He is wearing a red cloak. Why
Why are they after you? What have you done?
I have been taking care of sick people. I have been telling everyone about the living God who created all things and his Son, Jesus. God promises to save us if we follow the way of Jesus.
Saved from what? It looks to me like you're the one who needs saving.
I'm talking about something really big, a new religion, new hope for all people. I can teach you about Christianity if you'd like.
Okay, why not? I'm sick of things as they are, to tell you the truth. Everyone's always drunk and fighting. What's that thing around your neck?
This is a cross. It reminds me of how Jesus died. He was nailed to a cross.
What kind of God will let that happen to him?
He sacrificed himself so that all of us could live. Then he came back after he died. He showed us that we could be saved from the devil and sin.
What's sin?
Doing something that you shouldn't do, like eating cookies after your mother tells you not to. Or making people. You know, but we can change something that Jesus said. When someone does something bad to you, you should turn the other cheek instead of doing another bad thing back to them. You should love your neighbor as you love.
Love your neighbor? I can't stand any of my neighbors. They're always trying to take my land. I think this new religion is too hard for me.
It is simple. Love, hope, and forgiveness. Dare to follow this path and you will have a future life in heaven.
Now we're getting somewhere. Tell me about heaven.
Heaven is where God lives in his kingdom. It is a beautiful place.
Oh, tell me more, tell me more.
I am so tired. Let's talk more tomorrow. God, I am only a simple, poor priest. Please help me to spread the beautiful words of Jesus to many souls in this God-forsaken place. I can't do it without your help. I'm in great danger here. Please bless my friend Alban who has to come.
Scene 4. Same house, hours later. Same house.
What?
You're sleeping.
Yeah, he's wearing a red cloak. Where is the Christian? We know he's in here. Come out now and give yourself up.
Love, hope, and forgiveness. Heaven. I don't really understand, but I do dare to follow this path. Thank you for your blessing, priest. I am going to need it.
Make them with love, that we were bread. I love you.
Here I am. I am a Christian. You have been looking for me. Take me.
Don't take me first. He's dead.
Saint Alban was killed later that day. His soul went to heaven with God and the angels. The priest escaped and continued his good work.